KiloWattRC back at it. Got this crazy Losi out here with the legendary Mad Max wheels done by Losi. Been running these wheels for a long time, man, and they're still holding up great. All right, let's start. Stop, read, one more now. Track. Speed is registering. Start. Let's see how we do today, guys. All right, let's go, guys. Let's see what we got on that pass. That was a real nice pass. Real nice pass. Got the ONYX LiPos up in this thing. 2 MAX-4 ESCs, 2 Hybrid 800 kV motors. Got some Vidavon up in here. Got SAGA racing pinion gears on here. Whew. She was definitely cooking. Let's see what speed that was. She was definitely cooking. What happened to GPS? All right, stop, read, 134 miles an hour. Yo, 134 miles an hour. That is just straight up crazy. Wow, 134. She was definitely cooking. How many GPS? Alright, stop, read, 134 miles an hour. Yo, 134 miles an hour. That is just straight up crazy. Let's go ahead and run it back. Let's run that back. Alright, we hit track, start, stop, read, 1 mile an hour, track, speed is registering, start. So that's a new PB with this crazy rig. Let me make sure my stuff isn't falling apart in here. Okay, GPS looks good. Let's run that back. Let's see if we can get this time. $134 miles an hour is not bad at all. She was definitely cooking. All right. All right. Let's see what speed we got this time. Let's see what speed we got this time. Stop, read, 132. Stop, 132. All right, so I think we're good for today, guys. Let me remind you that these wheels are phenomenal. I've done countless passes, and these wheels are holding up. This is just amazing. I will be selling these at KiloWattRC.com. I will have the link in the description. These wheels should be in a couple of days. We're gonna have black and green for starters. I'm also gonna have lug nuts for Traxxas 8S, Arma 8S, and also Losi 5iveB. I will have lug nuts, and I also carry in stock. I do have Saga racing-ONYX 1.5 gears. Check out the website, man. The link will be below in the description. You just saw it, man. The crazy 47-pound Losi did 134 miles an hour. Dual 12S, ONYX lipos. Take a look. Got the KiloWattRC stickers on there. See that? KiloWattRC stickers on that thing. KiloWattRC stickers on that thing, man. So it's legit what we're doing, man. KiloWattRC's in the house. Look at High Voltage RC, man. That's my man. You know, big shout out to High Voltage RC. Big shout out to Vidavon. Big shout out to ONYX. You know what I'm saying? Big shout out to WFO RC Racing. I'm not running those gears, but it's all good. Got Saga up in there. So yeah, this is it right here, man. 134 is amazing, man. Y'all take it easy and peace.